Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to use len. A equal bracket list. This is list to list 1, list 2. Now I will show how to use len. Print len A. Len A3 1 2 3 Dhoni, Ronaldo, Federer. Len B cricket, football, tennis. Len B also 3. Now we do this. Now we write this. If not len A equal len B, then rise runtime error, length error. If I in range length B, print I A, player of B, third bracket I. Now run this. Dhoni, player of cricket, Ronaldo, player of football, Federer, player of tennis. By this method we can use len in Python. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.